No.
I don't know.
No.
Do you ever? One thing I was wondering is, do you ever contest the wisdom that often? Do you ever really try and take it from it?
It depends. Like, it's very dynamic. Like, mid is the role with the most interaction in Dota. So, like, for example, what you should do right now is secure the room by like just like rotations. I would say that 99% of the time you're gonna 6 at the same time. Like you just, I would say just like walk up. Nani? Go focus fire. Because if he's too low to
Do you not like it?
normally I wouldn't do that because I want you to press focus fire every time it's off cooldown on a side lane, if you can, because it's like really hard to kill Puck or the enemy mid. They're usually the same farm as you. You can get him really low that he has to go back to base. No. That's the It's pretty hard to get the wisdom rune because what happens like play pattern is you fight really hard for the rune, and then maybe you even go get a kill with the rune somewhere, and like you're just too low to fight the 7-minute rune. That stuff's already happened. Fantastic. So like with this, you can probably go fight for the 7-minute rune. How can we make that real? If he orbs, fire and then regenerate after, so if he has to he might even coil you, and then you can just go take the rune. So it'd be like playing for the
Quavo, ready? Help.
Again.
Go.
He probably should just not orb.
Got it? Yes. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it, Quavo.
No.
This would have been as well if there was no angle to go for the wisdom rune, then another angle, now you can do your stack with the regen rune as well. Like if you had a 3 or 4 by now. Generally, the flowchart for mid is for kills. Farm a neutral camp between the waves. If there is no neutral camp to farm nearby, or you're too low to farm, stack it for later. Huh? You're not gonna go farm. But with all the stuff we've talked about so far, what is the next most important thing that's about to happen? Yeah, and if you die this guy right now, all of your shit, you're gonna be too low to go fight Puck for the rune in 6 minutes. Like, Warlock, or 8 minutes. Warlock's gonna respawn, maybe fill his bottle, spoil and kill you on the rune, and you don't have TP, so you can't go to base either. Oh, that war really hurts too. But yeah, you're like bricked now. And you got the rune, so you're the ghost. But just keep that in mind that, like, I'm used to a lot. that you could apply to every single game you play. Okay, net worth this game if this was like 3 or 4 stack and you just cleared it before 10 minutes.
Yep. My 1 day a week. Or a tower. Probably just go push bottom tower if this. You hit the floor instead. What happened here? Okay, so I guess Magnus finished Blink. Something that's very hard for people to learn when they don't play that much mid is at some point, usually when the common either, or they have like whatever they need to start going up a bit, mid becomes the most dangerous lane on the map instantly. It's the place where everybody and you need to group up with your team. Like these 2 supports should be, especially these are your boys, they should be with you constantly. As soon as you get this DD rune, it's like, okay guys, or was that they started. So now he has a haste. And you can tell, like, that really griefed you because your net worth was, like, way higher compared to everyone else before that. But it completely changed the game. And you had the DD, so you should be the one making the active move. To make a big difference.
You're
Yeah, things are getting sus now.
I definitely feel like something that is especially applicable if you're playing a lot of unranked stacks. You need to cry for your team to group up with you more. And I don't mean cry in a literal sense, but you should be like telling the team to play when you're strong, like you're the strongest player on the team. I don't think you just want to use it in creeps right now, but you want to do both. Like, if you, like, let's say with that DD rune back then was like the biggest peak of your hero, you need to be like, okay, I have double damage. Let's take a tower. I don't care where, and you just need to group immediately.